Dispensing water without a filter or airtight storage. You're doing it wrong. Introducing SIPS water dispenser storage and filtration system. Per liter storage and filtration system easily connects to your water dispenser. Airtight system stops dust and particles from contaminating your water. Refill water 8 times less with SIPS. SIPS water filter removes bacteria and improves taste, and fits universally to nearly all water dispensers. Good for 200 gallons, with a quick connect-disconnect button for easy filter replacement, and a quick connect-disconnect button for easy bladder refills. Water bladder easily hangs out of sight behind your nightstand or headboard. Now you can enjoy fresh, filtered water conveniently around the clock.